Difficult jobs require specialized tools to get things done efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools for the job can make all the difference. From demolition work to heavy-duty tasks, these 10 tools are designed to tackle even the most challenging jobs with ease. Whether you're looking for a tool to remove unwanted brush or to make moving heavy objects easier, these top 10 tools for difficult jobs will be sure to make any DIY enthusiast or contractor think again about how they carry out their tasks. Welcome to Best Cool Tech. Let's dive in. Number 10. The iTool Co GRDXL. The iTool Co GRDXL is a plumber or electrician's dream. A multifunctional tool designed for electrical and plumbing professionals, it is a versatile tool that can be used in working with aluminum and stainless steel pipes and tubes. The GRDXL has a carbide-tipped blade that stays sharp longer, reducing the need for frequent blade changes, and a compact design that allows for easy access to tight spaces. The tool also has a comfortable grip handle for better control and less fatigue during extended use. The iTool Co GRDXL is available at a cost of around $100 to $150, making it an affordable option for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The iTool Co GRDXL is a smart investment for anyone in need of a multifunctional cutting tool for any electrical or plumbing job. Number 9. Metmo Grip. A 21st century reimagining of the timeless classic household tool, the adjustable wrench. The Metmo Grip has been so popular there's often up to a 2-month waiting list to get hold of one. Weighing just 7.6 ounces and small enough to handle easily, it can be adjusted from 0 right up to 0.9 inches, meaning it can handle tightening most household bolts easily. Not only that, it can be used as a multi-tool too. Hammering, gripping, tightening, it even has a knife and can open bottles if you get really thirsty while you do your jobs. The real deal will cost you $149, and the waiting list tells you it's probably worth the price, but you can also find replicas online at a fraction of the cost if you don't feel like paying full price. This one is perfect as a gift for the DIY enthusiast in your home, so don't miss out. Number 8. The Guster Demo Bar. A humble crowbar used for countless years for prizing and demolition jobs. Seems like something that works pretty well and doesn't need improving on, right? Well, that's exactly what the team at Guster Tools have done. They realized that the crowbar was invented way back in the 1700s to fix wagon wheels, and the design hadn't changed since. But there had to be a better way, as demolition jobs with a crowbar can be simply back-breaking. They developed a tool that provides better leverage, support, and efficiency than the standard crowbar, and starting at $350, it's a cost-effective way for contractors to step up their demo game and save their back from the burden of their work. Number 7. PDR Baton. If you work on cars, this next one is for you. The PDR Baton is a tool used in paintless dent repair, which is a method for repairing dents and dings on vehicles without the need for repainting. This tool is designed to reach the underside of the panel, allowing you to gently push out the dent. It's lightweight and durable, making it easy to fit in tight spaces. It comes in different sizes and shapes for different sized dents and has a soft rubber handle for a comfortable grip. The price of the PDR Baton depending on the size and design, but it can range from $20 up to $50. It's an essential tool for PDR technicians and auto body professionals and is cost-effective for the utility it provides. Number 6. GEDORE E-Torque Q. The GEDORE E-Torque Q is an electronic torque wrench. It's designed to ensure that screws are fastened correctly the first time without fail. This smart tool comes with clever software that works out a screw's connection data. It analyzes the torque angle, loosening/tightening, yield point, and further tightening. This makes tricky jobs where you really need to get things right first time with no room for error. Breaking a screw can be annoying, so why would you not want a tool that can almost guarantee that never happening again? There are 3 models for controlled right/left tightening, and the E-Torque Q starts at around $3,500. It isn't cheap, but for people who need accuracy with their tightening, this is definitely the tool for them. Number 5. Wysiegnik WH-3. Wysiegnik WH-3 is a hydraulic lift designed for the construction industry. It provides a safe and efficient way to lift heavy loads to high places. Essentially, it's an upgrade on the humble forklift. It is capable of lifting up to 30 meters high and can support up to 250 kilograms. The WH-3 is equipped with safety features like automatic stabilizing outriggers, safety harnesses, and emergency stop buttons. The device is easy to operate and maintain, making it a cost-effective solution for contractors. The cost of the Wysiegnik WH-3 varies depending on the specific model and features, but it is estimated to be around $50,000 to $70,000, a worthy investment if you need a new forklift solution. Number 4. Unitec Sewer Connector. The Unitec sewer connections between pipes such as sewer pipes from diameter DN300 to DN2400 and made of different materials such as PVC, concrete, and even clay can be fixed together separately of the inside diameter and pipe wall thickness. The Unitec sewer connection comes with an adjustable socket which allows an attachments at an angle range of 0 degrees to 11 degrees. This tool makes joining pipes together a breeze. With its special construction, the connection adjusts to the inner bore edge of the main pipe and makes the connection. It even has a sealing collar that smoothly adjusts to the wall and the inner diameter of the main pipe to make the connection fully sealed. Number 3. Easy Tilt. Ever tried to lift a piano? Or for that matter, any piece of heavy furniture? The Easy Tilt is for you. It is a tool designed to make it easier to move and tilt heavy objects. It is equipped with a lever and a pivot point, allowing the user to easily lift and tilt objects up to 150 pounds with minimal effort. The tool features a compact design and is made of durable materials, making it easy to use and store. The tool can be used by anyone, regardless of strength or size, making it a valuable tool for homeowners, movers, and contractors. The cost of the Easy Tilt varies, but is generally priced between $50 and $100, making it an affordable solution for those in need of a tool for moving heavy objects. Number 2. Zunder Drywall Tape. Zunder Drywall Tape is a product designed for repairing and finishing drywall surfaces, and it really is a miracle for professional plasterers. It is a self-adhesive mesh tape that can be easily applied to seams and joints in drywall, creating a strong bond that helps to prevent cracking and peeling. The tape is easy to use and can be easily molded to fit any shape, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of drywall repair projects. The Zunder Drywall Tape is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It is also easy to sand and paint over, allowing for a seamless finish. The cost of the Zunder Drywall Tape is reasonable, ranging from $5 to $10 for a standard roll. Number 1. Brush Grubber. The brush grubber is a tool designed for removing unwanted brush and small trees. It comes with strong steel jaws that grip and hold the trunk of the bush or tree, allowing the user to easily pull it out of the ground. The brush grubber is available in different sizes for different sized trees and bushes, and it also comes with a durable frame for stability and safety. The brush grubber is perfect for homeowners, farmers, and land managers who need to remove unwanted brush and small trees from their land. The brush grubber is usually priced between $100 and $500, depending on the size and model. With its ease of use and affordability, the brush grubber really is a valuable tool for anyone looking to remove unwanted brush and small trees. So, what's more important to you when it comes to getting jobs done? How useful a tool is or how much it costs? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoy hearing about these 10 amazing and innovative tools. Remember to subscribe and turn those notifications on to make sure you don't miss a single upload, and we'll see you in the next one.